Hey guys, this is Ozzy. I'm here on a video, on Minecraft. I'm going on a server called Blizzardcraft, and I think I should have the camera on. If I just go. Good, no one's on. Oh, hey Pat. Oh, that's you, Hen. You're on Patch's account. Slash home Stratos. If the camcord is on, I'm just saying. Quickly get away, he's on, he's just came on. He's just came on. Like literally, he just came on.
When?
So I'm just going to show off our phone then again.
Who's that?
Come on up, Ken. Come and say hi to the viewers.
Hello.
I hate my brother.
I hate you.
Well, no one even likes you.
No one even likes you.
No one on YouTube even likes you. So
No
this is
one
about
likes
me.
you like you.
And if anyone from Stratos is watching this is your competition.
Trying to kill.
Yeah, that is your competition. I'll show you a few of our chests. Dun. Dun.
Definitely invite you.
Dun.
There's someone coming to the stairs.
There's not.
I saw a blue thing.
Dun.
He's got 6 zombies egg.
Yeah, dun.
Awesome. Who's check one?
No, it's you. And there. And we have obsidian at the moment and stuff like that. So I'm not showing any of you the cords or anything.
What's this over there?
This is what you're up against.
What?
This is not to anyone else. This is just up to Stratos. If any of you are watching this, this is what you're up against. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye now. Bye. I hope you enjoyed. Please put all your rubbish in the closest trash can. Bye bye now. Bye bye. Are they gone? Crap. View. Bye.